Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 BMW X7. Luxury SUVs have a new benchmark with the 2026 BMW X7. Although it was a latecomer to the full-size luxury SUV scene when it debuted in 2019, the X7 quickly solidified itself as a top contender. Combining a lavish interior, cutting-edge technology, and thrilling driving dynamics, the X7 stands out in its class. The BMW X7 is not just an SUV, it's a statement. Its imposing size is complemented by sleek, modern lines, making it both elegant and powerful on the road. The X7 offers a commanding presence while maintaining BMW's signature design. The 2026 model introduces an innovative driving assistance professional package that takes convenience to a new level. The system now features eye-activated lane change functionality, allowing drivers to authorize lane changes simply by looking at the rearview mirror. This upgrade enhances the semi-autonomous driving experience, setting a new standard in safety and technology. The X7's interior is a tech lover's dream, highlighted by a sleek, slightly curved digital display. A 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster for the driver. A 14.9-inch touchscreen running BMW's advanced infotainment system. BMW ensures that every journey is a first-class experience with heated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, ambient interior lighting, a power-adjustable steering wheel. While the X7 can accommodate up to 7 passengers, it's best suited for families or those who value space. The second-row captain's chairs, though luxurious, move slowly when granting access to the third row. The rear seats are also a bit cramped for adults on long trips. The X7 redeems itself with abundant cargo space. With all seats folded, the SUV offers ample room for up to 33 carry-on suitcases. The entry-level X7 xDrive 40i is powered by a 375 horsepower turbocharged inline six-cylinder, and the M60i has a twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 that makes 523 horsepower. The Alpina XB7 has a specially tuned version of that V8, which develops 630 horsepower. All three engines pair with an 8-speed automatic and all-wheel drive. Every X7 rides on an air suspension with adaptive dampers, and the chassis can be further enhanced with the available rear axle steering and active anti-roll bars that reduce body roll in corners. Both features are standard on the M60i, which has a sportier suspension setup by default. Handling is surprisingly lithe for a large SUV, and the X7 steering is accurate and nicely weighted. The smallest wheels on the X7 measure 21 inches in diameter, but BMW now also offers 23 inches for the first time on the big rollers. The price of the 2026 BMW X7 starts at $84,675 and goes up to $153,395 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.